Negasni Deputy Commissioner Oman le Chairman ka District Selection Committee ke West Giant Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh de pencheu wakat kamaman katte M2 arspa san pausan terliki kre walait hapoh ipai ke DSC wayagini ki kre pyndap hapoh yang unihi snem. Abhinav de kentai uye bakam ke hito walait ki kre haduk san spa an ruphau terli de penche wakat kamaman haduk ka kan rutri uni benai haipor wakalamu MLA ke Jawai wailan miki shella waki wapathai kubor em haduk cispa san pawi terliki kre wadalain. Udisi de pentip wanu wahak arpon rutri uni benai de khut ya ke yalang waki saheb kichnat waper he wada chem wadang em ki kre wathli ki wakentup ya arpau widali ki LDA Waprapau ledali ki grade 4 wa grade 3 post way waro ki kre de lang waki cispa san pawi teli wathli de em ki arspa san pau santli ki kre walai hapoh ko West Giant Hills. Cucu de pentibu waki sofa kunde teli ki kre LDA de thung ya ki cherup waki so teli ki kre boatman. De pentibu le waki interview ne benta ki kan rutli ki kre wakentum kan vitali ki sericulture demonstrator so teli ki kram sevang wa ivi ka kram civika dapan manno haki artaya wawan. Heya to awan wa ikam ke hito wa empalat sans pa tam ki kre walait udisi de pencheu wa kite ki kre kentup ki ya ki must roll haki chnat waper ki warden ki pharmacist wa ki wi ki kre ki wa mto de hapoh ipai ke DSC tang walai ki da ke promotion ke MPSC wa ki wi hawa kali kat menu pyndap no ya arspa san pau san terli ki kre walait udisi de pentibu wa haki sngi wa wan da pen wan dur ya ki por we wo pyndap no ya ki hapoh nai khande na chi phau yang uni usnem.
This is the Deputy Commissioner of West Giant Hills. I am giving this public clarification or advisory as the Chairman of the District Selection Committee for West Giant Hills. Recently there has been some information which has been doing rounds in the media, which is with regard to the vacancies that are available in the DSC. As per one of the groups, it has been cited that the number of vacancies is more than 500. I want to issue the clarification that the vacancies that they have cited is an inflated one. How? As there are around 106 out of so-called 560 vacancies which are tagged as JDA, officer, UDA and teaching staff, which are clearly outside the purview of the DSC. We had a meeting with our Honorable MLA on 19th of May, wherein at that point of time the vacancies that were given to us by the various departments was total 151. Following which a meeting was convened with all the departmental heads, wherein they were asked to bring the vacancies list as well as the roster on 26th of May, wherein we got an additional 21 LDA post and 83 grade 4 post and grade 3 post. Thus the total vacancies that are to be filled up by the DSC as of today, which has been submitted, is 255. Cite again, on addition to that, 49 LDA posts and 4 boatmen have been recently appointed. An interview of 16 posts, which includes 11 for sericulture demonstrator, 4 for Gram Sevak and 1 for Gram Sevika, will be undertaken in coming next 2 weeks. Also, the inflated post which has been given to this, the organization, it actually also includes the muster rules from various departments, which include like other warden, pharmacists, vacancies that are outside the purview of the DSC. So with regard to this, the appointment which we'll be doing will ensure that the entire process for recruitment gets completed for the entire set of vacancies maximum by September or November for this year itself. I would also like to urge to all the media houses, rather strongly urge, that before publishing any information, they should get a clarification from the concerned authority, in this particular case from the chairman of the DSC. Thank you, because it unnecessarily creates otherwise panic in the public. When we asked the department to submit the list of vacancies, it was an old data, right? On 26, when the meeting was convened with all the department heads, the additional LDA post, grade 3, grade 4 posts were authorized to us, which we have added down, and total 250 plus is the number of vacancy as of date today, for which we are going to give out the advertisement. The entire schedule is being prepared and it will be shared maximum by tomorrow in the press, so everyone can start their preparation. And as I am reiterating it again, by maximum September or November, the entire vacancy for the DSC will be filled up. Get it rectified. Correct. After the rectification was done by the entire DSC, we came up that yes, these are the number of vacancies which fall within the purview of the DSC and these are the vacancies which fall outside the purview of the DSC. Before we could issue the clarification, it went viral in the media. So that's the reason why I'm giving the actual information that yes, these are the vacancies which are within the DSC for the knowledge of the general public.